Beans, they're good for your heart. The more you eat them, the more you. I think you may know the rest, but did you know that this magical little fruit is good for plenty of other things like diabetes, cancer, obesity and hair growth? Today's video will discuss how to use beans to grow hair. Kidney beans is rich in protein, fiber, calcium, iron, magnesium, and vitamin B6 among other nutrients. It is one of the most nutritious food items out there, and can aid weight loss, reduce blood sugar, is good for the heart and may even help in preventing cancer. It also has benefits for the hair, and leaves the hair shiny, smooth and soft. Applying a pack of kidney beans on your hair can prevent breakage and hair fall. How to make a hair pack with kidney beans. Here is how you can make an easy hair pack with kidney beans. Soak the kidney beans in water overnight, and then grind them in a mixer with little water. Add 2 spoons of curd, neem powder, or a mix of neem leaves, optional, coconut or almond oil, and mix thoroughly. Apply the mix on your hair and scalp and leave till dry. Wash it with normal water, and shampoo your hair if you feel that the pack is still in your hair or scalp. Air dry 80% of your hair, and then use a hair dryer from a distance of at least 15 centimeters to finish drying the hair. You will see initial results instantly. To improve hair health, you must use the pack on your hair at least once a week, or twice, if the damage is too much. Are you going to try this? Let me know in the comment section below.